I think I broke his camera somehow. I already see the title now. My wife broke my $5,000 camera.
Oh, for some reason lately, I'm dying. I'm just kidding. I'm not dying. Maybe it's my lack of sleep. I feel dizzy, and I just like my legs don't work anymore. I'm falling and I can't get up. I'm not working on my cars today. I think my body's saying, no, Evan. Why did I end up on the floor? This is not comfortable. A little over a year ago, we tried this out. We did a day in the life of Victoria, and people really liked it. We haven't done it since, so we're going to go ahead and go for it again. Babe, I'm dying.
He's literally been laying here for like 5 minutes now after he just did that little bit. So that is why I'm taking over the video for today.
I need you to, if you can, if you would be a doll, I need triple squares. If I'm gonna do the coilovers in the Porsche tomorrow, I have to remove the axles out of the motor. And the only way I can do that is with triple squares.
O'Reilly's or not?
I don't think O'Reilly's would have it. I would go to Northern Tool. Ask for a set of triple squares.
Okay.
That's it. I'm just gonna be here until you get back.
Clutch! Hi, bud! Hi! Oh, you are muddy. I'm gonna make Dad wash your feet. Hey, you want a stick? Oh, come here. You want it? Go get it! He's just so cute. He is the best doggy ever. I mean, how cute is that? Here is our list of stuff to do today. I'm gonna be going all over town. Dude, what are you doing up there? No, don't. My water over. Either, like, insurance. What are you doing? He's trying to steal the show. Can you stay in that chair? We are having tacos tonight, so we need to make sure and get some ingredients for that. Gotta get some lunch stuff for throughout the week. All that kind of stuff. So ready, set, go. Can't start a Evan Shanks video without a nice cold start, so here you go. God, that's so loud. So I noticed walking up, we still haven't put one of our new decals on my car. It's rubbed on really well. See if it'll stay. Oh yeah, much better. Actually, I don't know if I like it in that spot. They're not here. Oh, there they are. I absolutely love coming down this road because there's cows. Normally they're right by the fence and I freak out, but look, they're so cute and they're laying down and they look so happy because it's sunny outside. You know, you just gotta floor it sometimes. Car, don't get in front of me, you stupid. Actually, there's a cop sitting in there and I didn't know that. So it's kind of a good thing that the guy just pulled in front of me because 2311, 2311, 2311. I hate this box because I'm so short. So if you didn't know, we did move back to Texas. We do have a P.O. box set up. Our address is 609 South Goliad Street, P.O. Box 2311, like you just saw. Rockwall, Texas 75087. That is one more thing. Where's my pen? To check off the list. So next we're going to So I just really am super excited about this year. We have so many things planned for each and every one of our cars, and to be able to have our own garage, our own space, have our own time frame. I'm just super excited, and the stuff that we have lined up, especially for the Porsche. I was telling Evan yesterday, I don't think I've ever been so excited about working on a car and doing a car, not doing a car. Everything that he has is just gonna be sick, one of a kind. We have stuff for the Jeep coming up that I actually think we're gonna be doing in the next few days. I'm just super excited to see what 2018 holds. Our merch drop, we don't have a set date yet because we're still working out some stuff, but this next one, season 3, is going to be fire. I've been excited about like the other seasons, but this one especially is my favorite, and so I can't wait to see what y'all think about it. It's just gonna be awesome. And I'm so used to it being cold and rainy, I forgot I could do this. It's absolutely beautiful out today, so you know I am getting my sunshine. I really am awkward, I'm not gonna lie. I'm super super awkward. I never know what to talk about. Like, I don't want just a boring video of like fast forwarding through packages and grocery shopping and all that kind of stuff, but that's my day. There's a tunnel coming up, but you know what I gotta do, right? I'm so bad at this. Evan does it so well. I always feel like I've embarrassed myself. That's awesome. I really wanted to film how cheap gas was here, but this guy was like standing right behind me. But seriously, like, I thought people were joking when they said that California was more expensive. I bet y'all can totally see yourself right now. Is this like Inception? Oh, he's right there. What is he doing? I feel so awkward. Why are you standing there watching? Oh. Okay, I mean, seriously though, I just filled the Beast up for $50. In California, that would have cost me $70. And this thing is a gas guzzler, and so $20 might not be, I mean, that's a pretty big difference. After a few fill-ups, $20 becomes $100. $100 just adds up. Oh my goodness, Evan's gonna freak out. He loves this ginger beer. He is gonna be so excited. Costco, check. Can I get a large Diet Coke?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it? So I'm sitting here and I realized, crap, gotta move. I realized that I started grocery shopping because I forgot to put something on my list, and this is exactly why I have a list so I wouldn't forget anything, but because I didn't write it down as soon as he told me, I forgot it. I didn't put on the list that he needed that star thingy, whatever, and so I can't go right now because I have stuff that'll perish in the car. I don't even remember what it's called. Oops, I totally forgot about that. I gotta get my drink. This is gonna be super awkward. Hold that thought. That's exactly what I needed. I can't even go right now because I have stuff like eggs and cheese and I'm about to go get more groceries. Ooh, look at this Porsche. I swear, Evan's ruined me. I don't even know if it's like a cool Porsche or not, but I think that's really sick looking. And the wing on the back, I like it a lot. So anyway, on to Walmart. You always gotta park in the no ding squad. I seriously feel so awkward trying to film in Walmart. People look at me like I'm crazy. Pre-packaged taco seasoning sucks. Do it yourself. Actually, I'll add my favorite recipe below because it's really good.
Please take your seat.
Oh, it's bright. What the heck? Why is it so bright? I think I broke his camera somehow. It's supposed to be on auto. Crap. Y'all, I'm really scared. I think when I put the camera on the checkout machine, I'm afraid the laser like hit the sensor and killed the sensor. I don't know. I'm really like nervous now. I hope I'm just being stupid and I don't know how to work this camera. I already see the title now. My wife broke my $5,000 camera. Guys, I'm just freaking out.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh, y'all, I fixed it. It was supposed to be like on fully automatic. I didn't know you could still change the ISO on it. And so it was literally at like 400,000. He would have been so forgiving, but I would have had to do something to make up for that, if you know what I mean. I mean, seriously, I had the stress sweats going. I do have a serious question for y'all. The camera's gonna fall again, I know it. So, serious question for you. What color should we wrap the Jeep? I mean, should we go super loud and obnoxious? I kind of was leaning that way at first, but Evan wants to do a little more subtle. What color should we do? Should we go bright, crazy, obnoxious? Or should we do like really subtle, understated? So comment below, let me know what you think. Help us decide, there's just so many options. Walked up and the mailman brought me this. If it's what I think it is, Evan's gonna be super excited.
Hi, I was about to text you. What is this? Oh, this is my upper. It's here? Oh my god, I've been waiting for this all day.
I gotta get groceries out though, but I need to tell you something.
What?
I didn't get your thing because I didn't write it down.
You text me.
No, I already was grocery shopping and I had stuff that had to come back.
Oh.
so we can do it tomorrow.
Oh my god. Hey, I promise y'all can't be mad at me now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Oh, yes. Triggered. Oh, it's so good. Yes. Oh, this is so okay. I'm so excited right now. This is the best thing that's ever happened to me. Except, okay, maybe Mary Victoria was definitely better, but still, like, this is the best. Oh my god, I gotta put the bolt carrier group in. Hold up. Alright, if you guys don't know, I'm a huge gun enthusiast, and I've always wanted to build a 7.5 inch 5.56 pistol. Now, I do want to make a disclaimer. I don't have guns because I'm a crazy person. I have guns so I can keep myself safe from the crazy people, but it's also a hobby for me. Just like cars, building these is really, really fun for me. I know, especially with everything that's been going on lately, that these are a pretty sensitive topic, but I have taken courses, many courses on how to handle firearms, and I'm a very safe person, and honestly, it's just a hobby for me. So sick. Wow. You guys might see us go to the range with this baby. It is 5.56, and the reason why you know I'm not a crazy person is because if I were building a 7.5 inch pistol, I wouldn't have gone 5.56, because 5.56 is less accurate than the 300 Blackout. 300 Blackout still uses the 5.56 lower, but it's more accurate. So that's how you know I'm not about to go freaking bust in anywhere and go crazy, but it's just for fun. It's just to take to the shooting range and just a nice look. Damn, that is awesome.
All right, so that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna put the groceries up. I have some laundry to do and just a few more phone calls to make, things to do on the computer that's just boring and you wouldn't be able to see anything anyways. We appreciate your support. Keep your eyes open for season 3 merch. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be awesome. You are definitely want to get it. So anyways, again, thank you so much for watching our video. Peace out and be victorious.
Well, did you have fun today?
I did.
You did? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed.
I already closed it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. She closed it. Peace.
Hey, there's 2 videos in front of you. I'm not going to pick the videos, but Evan probably will. But I promise you, they are going to be awesome videos. I don't care if you've seen them before. Just click on one of them. You're going to laugh or you're going to cry. Probably laugh. Actually, probably cry from laughing. But either way, it's worth it.